Morning, guys. Thank you for joining me in another episode of our Ricky Mangyon's vlog. It may sound crazy, but rain or shine, I still do my morning walk. And here I am probably the only one walking on this rainy day just around our neighborhood. I don't mind. So quiet and so peaceful, and the rain always bring out a lot of good memories when I was growing up. I remember going to school whenever it's raining and I will be soaking wet. I will be wearing my rubber shoes and it will be soaking wet, and I had to dry it up on our fireplace so that the next day I could use it. So I don't mind. I love walking in the rain. So here I am walking on the neighborhood, and I'll show you just a little bit of the area. So this is where I usually walk every day, just around our neighborhood. Sometimes I ride on my bike on a good day during summertime, but today it's raining hard. It started raining yesterday, but it wasn't so bad, and when I started my walk this morning too, it wasn't so bad. But now it's really pouring cats and dogs, like what they say. I still love it. I'm wearing my rain gear. This is what I wore before when I was with the Marines, and I am pretty much protected against getting wet. So I'm almost done with my walk. I usually walk 3 to 5 miles every day, and from this loop here I should be heading back home to eat my warm breakfast and maybe edit this video. So it's a good day even though it's still raining. Okay, bye for now. Well, here I'm still continuing my walk. I'm the only one walking, but I don't mind. I like the peace and tranquility, except for the passing cars. So this is just around the neighborhood. I can feel that my shoes, they're really soaking wet. But I don't mind. The inside of our garage is warm, I'll just put it out there, and maybe by tomorrow morning it'll be dry already. Okay, I'm heading back home. This will be my last loop. There's a plane up there somewhere. The clouds. Okay, my friends, thank you for joining me on this short vlog. I think I'm going to end it now and just concentrate on my walk. Look where I'm going, because I don't want to fall on my face. So thank you once again, my subscribers and those who've been watching my video. Thank you for joining me today. Peace. Bye for now.